Okay, so any doubt, any confusion, whatever we have covered till now, have you created info group and new action type?
Hello?
Yeah. Have you created new action type and info group?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so what's up? Please share your screen, then I will check each and everything.
Yeah, sir. There is one doubt I'll show you.
Yeah, yeah. Please share your screen.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
No, I'm not able to see your screen. Can you please share?
Yeah, sir. I'm sharing this. Give me 1 second. Sir, I created this.
Please hire any. Please hire any employee.
Do I need to put the date?
Yeah, any date you can give and join. No info type. Yeah, employee number created, but info group we have not assigned correctly. That's why we have get that error warning message. Info type is not assigned. If you save, then next screen will not come. Just to save.
Yeah, so it was not going to another screen.
Yeah, because info group is not assigned correctly. Now please go to
Okay.
SPRO and info group tab. And what about you, Shivangi? Where you are facing the issue?
Sir, I have created a company.
Yeah.
But like एंट्री ग्रुप एंट्री सपोज जहाँ पर अपना जो पर्सनल नंबर आना चाहिए वहाँ पर दिक्कत आ रही है।
मतलब आपका इशू क्या है? आपका पर्सनल नंबर वहां पर नहीं आ रहा है।
हाँ हाँ नहीं आ रहा मतलब पूरी कंपनी क्रिएट हो चुकी है लेकिन जब when we put in then there is nothing to show.
Okay, so that means you have a facing issue in a number range. Okay, I will check that part also. And what about you, Nagma?
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
सर वो नंबर रेंजेस कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं एक बार बता दो ना सर,
Sure, I
मुझे
will do
समझ
that.
में नहीं आ रहा एक्चुअली।
Okay, sure, I will do that.
ओके, वो एक ही प्रॉब्लम है सर,
Okay,
अदरवाइज
okay.
मैं कर लूंगी।
Okay, and Nagma is also facing, sorry, Shivangi is also facing the same issue related to number range. Okay, so I will do that part of the other first.
ओके सर।
Okay, go to set up personal action first. Click personal action tab. First click position and showing which one you have.
Position, sorry, action type is one. Action type 01 या 02 है।
Okay, give and search.
Okay.
Okay, one mistake you did here. And what is your info group?
Info group.
You have selected 22. No, these numbers you should be give whatever you have taken in a info group. Okay, that is not. It will be not same number. 22 you have given here. It will be not same. If you use this 22 number, because this is for management application, not for you, Manu. Okay.
Okay.
First,
So
have you created info
IGMOD
group?
में जो IGMOD में जो मैंने डाला वो है क्या?
IGMOD, no, yeah, no, IGMOD may not that part. Whatever you have created info group, last one, where you maintain user group, info group ID. In first time you have created in info group there.
Yeah. Okay.
So just to find out which one you have created, all the list will be displayed here. Okay, let me check. I need to go again back. Define info group. Info group we need to be defined from here. In user group dependency, which menu we have created here.
Oh, I have not done this.
Have you created or not in this part? This part?
No, actually no.
No.
नहीं, ये मैंने नहीं किया। नहीं किया है। अच्छा।
Just try to search which one you have created because 22 is not yours.
Oh, PG. Okay.
Yeah, your is PG is yours. Okay.
Hmm.
PG is yours.
Yeah.
In IGMOD, you have given the value 22.
Yeah.
So their info group name is PG. In
Okay.
place of 22, you need to be write PG.
कमेंट्स में डालना।
And, what is your personal area you have given here?
Yeah, 6655.
See, you have given here PG, not 22. Okay. You have given here PG. Okay. Return value you have given in IGMOD PG. So same return value you need to be right here. Okay. Earlier you told 22. In place of 22, you need to whatever return value uh, you have set it in IGMOD feature. Same thing you need to be right here. Okay. So now again you need to delete complete thing.
In IG MOD, I have created 22 only.
One second, can you please be louder? IGMOD feature we use for the info group modifier. Earlier I
Yeah,
told that
that's what there I did 22 only.
pardon, no, there you have written PG. Just have check na. In IG in info group modifier, whatever info group modifier in a IGMOD feature, whatever return value you will give, same thing you need to be right there. So here you have given return value PG, but there you have written 22. That's why info group is not working. Okay. So you have given PG under PG 6655, and let me check under 666 PNG 22. Here you have given 22. Okay. So now do one thing, a double 4 times 6. So you need to be try to do the hiring under 4 times 6. Yeah, not on because under 6655 you have given PG. That's why that configuration was incorrect. Under 6666 you have given, yeah, now that error gone. Previously no info now info type will work. Under 6666 PNG Gujarat. Yeah, now it's working all screen we are getting.
Double 606. Double 606.
Now save your entry, everything will come one by one. No assignment. We just enter all the detail and save. Okay. So what was mistake? Because under plus sub area 6666 you have given 22, but under 6655 you have given PG. So for 6655 you need to be create the separate action type. Okay, because you have given the different return value. But if you want to same for all, then under 6655 you need to be make it 22, and under 6666.
So your voice is gone. Hello? Hello? हेलो सर का आवाज सुनाई दे रहा है क्या?
मे बी उनका म्यूट।
नहीं सुनाई दे रहा सर का आवाज।
मेरे को नहीं आ रहा।
मुझे भी नहीं आ
मे बी
रहा।
उन्होंने म्यूट करे शायद कुछ फोन में आए तो। We'll see.
Okay.
तुमको कैसे आ रहा है?
नया रहा है. म्यूट करे शायद बोल रही मैं.
अच्छा.
Okay, so now we understood the process where we did the mistake, Varsa.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now apart from it, any doubt, any confusion?
So where have done the mistake you said?
You did the mistake in a info group modifier. In info group modifier, you have taken under person sub area 666622, but you under 6655 you have given PG info group modifier. That was incorrect. So and you are trying to do the hiring under 6655. That's what system showing because system not able to found because there you have maintained PG. Okay, that's why. So no need to, according to personal year, no need to give the different IGMOD. Do one thing, same IGMOD number you need to be assigned in all person area. Okay. So for that, in one single info group, it will be going to work for all person area. Okay.
Yeah, it will be confusing actually if we use
Yeah, no,
different
that
things.
IGMOD feature, like whatever you will give the return value, you need to be give same for all person area. Okay. So if you will create the one info group, then it will be work for all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And now, what about you, Shivangi, where you are facing the issue in number range, and Nagma, you also facing the issue in number range.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Varsa, I think you are complete clear in a number range. Okay. Already you have created.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we will do number range. So let's. What is the T code we use to create number range? What is the T code we use to create number range?
P04.
Yeah, correct. PA04 we will use to create number range. First of all, what is a number range? Like for example, you are working in any organization, and I will say that please create new employee number. Okay, please create the new employee number. So you will ask as a HR, you will ask to your manager, sir, employee number I will create, but what will be what will be the starting of employee number? It will be 123, or it will be 1000, 2000, 3000, like that. So management is going to say no, employee number should be a start from 1000 to 2000. Between 2000 it will be available the number range, it will be available the employee number. Okay, so range, that means any two digit between whatever number will come, that's a called range. Okay, if you're going to select the 1 to 100, then what is the range? Between 1 to 100, whatever number going to be generated, that's a called number range. Okay, complete range you are taking. So in first column, that is a sequence number. Second column, from number, that means range from this range to this range, from this range to this range. Okay, that is a number range. Like for example, we are going to create the number range. What about last created? I need to take the new sequence number. So till 85 it's a created. So we can create the sequence 87. range for number. Okay, any range we can select, but condition is which is not available here in this system. Okay, so we can select the number range like 0, 6, 6, 6, anything we can. Just I'm selecting this. If I'm going to delete all the number range, and from I will create the new sequence 0 1, I will give 1 to 999. So that will be number range created from employee will going to create from first number 1 2 3 like that sequence, and then 0 999. So now I'm taking that this range should now, if I'm going to select going to create the number range according to your company code or personal area, so employee number will selected by system automatic between this range to this range. But let me check it's taken or not interval over without overlap, because this range is already available in the system. That's so yeah, this range is already available in this system, that's why we are not able to. So it's just a try with something other digit. Interval without overlap, yeah, it's taken 6 between 2 6 there. Which one you have created, Varsa? Varsa, which one you have created? You have lots of number ranges available here. So now I'm going to delete something.
84, sir, I think so.
Yeah.
Varsha created 84. What are 85?
So it's not a error actually. Already this range available between any range. That's why it is not created. Just swing over like Yeah, now 16 to 18 is taken. Okay. So 16 to 18 number range. See, 16 range I have created for employee 87, 16 to 18. So now you will do the hiring in a system according to your company code. So your employee number should be generated 16, 17 and 18. Okay, this is three. I have just given three range for employee. If you are tick there, then it will be external. But if I'm not going to tick, then it will be internal number. So now see which sequence we have created 87. Now I'm trying to change this more because 25 is already available. Now, what will be the next course of action once we created the number range, and what will be the next course of action? Anyone? Like number range I have created, and what will be next?
Features number.
Number, yeah, correct. We need to be go to T code. What is the feature we use for the number range? Sorry, for feature.
PA03.
Yeah, PE03. Enter. Because I have created the number range. Now we need to be assigned according to our company code. What is the feature for number range? What is the feature of number? Oh, sorry, what is the feature of number range?
Number.
Oh, click over change. Then select our country code. Then company code. Then what is your company code, Shivangi?
Mine company code A.
What is?
Sir, AYUF. AYUF.
A?
YUF.
This one.
No, actually, F. Yeah, Irish fabric.
No, your voice is very slow. Can you please be louder?
Yeah, sir, this is right. Irish fabric is my company.
Okay, I use fabric now. Okay. So we have to select and guarantee. So under we need to give the return value. What will be return value? Our number day sequence will be return value. So return value will be sequence number. What is the number range we have given? 87. 87 or 86?
87.
87. So now we will give it the return value and activate. Switch got activated. No error found. Okay. So now we will do the hiring in your personal with your personal area. So number will be created using this range. Okay, whatever we have created, 87 slash in PA40. Have you created action type, Shivangi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But this is a error. This one, Irish fabrics.
Okay, what is your personal area?
So that was AYUG.
AY.
UG.
An employee group.
That was X.
I'm selecting the same hour. When you will do the new hiring, then that time you will select the different. No AUIG is not AUIG is not available. That's why we are getting
Yes,
it. AUIG is not found.
सर ये मैंने करा था.
Let me check. Otherwise, I need to check your personal area. No, AUYG is not available.
AYUG.
AYUG. This was it correct now?
Yeah, correct.
AYUG slash SPR. Tell me the navigation for checking personal area. What is the navigation? Versa,
Okay.
Personal management.
no, incorrect. Yeah, tell me Shivangi and Nagma. What is for the personal area?
Sir, enterprises structure.
Yeah, correct.
Oh, personal area.
Then definition.
Finance.
Definition.
Okay, so financial
Human
accounting I'm not
resource.
going to check. We need to check
Human
personal.
resource
Human
management.
resource.
Yeah. Then
Personal area.
personal area.
Personal area. Yeah.
Personal area. Yeah. AYUG.
G, right.
AYUG. This one.
Fabric spooling. Yeah.
AYUG. I use fabric Pune. So it's a creator. Then what will be next checkpoint? Anyone?
Assignment.
Personal sub area.
No, that is not next checkpoint.
Assignment.
Assignment. Yeah, correct. Next checkpoint is assignment. So in real time scenario, you have to do the same. Okay. When you have created each and everything, but individual will getting the error during work. So you need to know what will be checkpoint. Same thing like you have created each and everything configured. Same things sometimes if customer they are going to be do the joining, so that time they are facing the error. So they will take the screenshot and share with you, and you have to resolve. Okay. So according to error, you need to be find out what will be checkpoints and from where we can correct this part. Okay. So from personal area, if personal area got created, then next checkpoint will be assignment. So assignment of personal area to company code. So here you need to be AYUG. See, assignment was missing. That's why we are getting that error. Okay. So what is your company code, Shivangi? Okay, then
AYUF.
no need to taking that company code. I'm taking just TDS one, whatever we have did first time. Okay, IBM Private Limited. Because there again you need to be if you will take the new company code, so you will get that error. Assignment, accounting assignment, chart of account error. Okay, that's why I'm using same TDS one. Now save. So it's done. Now we'll go /m PA40. Yeah, now it's working. Pune. Okay, now automatic personal number we get. Why we have given 16011? Because there we have given the range. No, but one thing is that we are getting 16011, but we have
Yeah, this is
taken
not the
that.
number range, no?
Pardon?
This is not the number range we were
Yeah. That's why
when
I'm
you
saying
just
number range we have given 16 to 18. So, but 16011 we are getting because 16 number already employee had in the system. That's why we are getting the different one here, 16 to 011. If I'm going to save this part, yeah, your
But then,
info.
sir, if we want the employee to be within 16 and to 18 and
Yeah.
still the system is taking another one, so it will not fulfill our requirement.
Yeah. That is. I'm going to do the hiring again next one. Okay, for that checking purpose. Okay, what we are getting next one.
But sir, it will be a 8-digit number, na personal number.
Pardon?
जो पर्सनल नंबर होता है वो 8 डिजिट का होना मैंडेट होता है ना एज ए सिस्टम रिक्वायर.
No, it's not someone taken 1, 2, 3. So if I'm not going to blank, that means we consider 000. Okay,
Okay.
blank that means AYUG. Your company code is AYUG. Now the next feature it is 16012 slash n PA04. No, it's not taken 87. 87, 87, 16, and 18. I have given no employee generated. Let me check. What will be next checkpoint? We need to check the feature. Lesson PE03. No, you know why this we are getting that error? Now I understood why I'm getting different number range. You know, because I have assigned. Tell me anyone any because
TDS.
why I'm getting this why I'm getting different number range. Tell me anyone.
TDS we have taken. No?
Yeah, because I have maintained in a feature feature PE03 according to Shivangi company code. I use Fabric, okay, but I'm doing hiring using TDS. Where is gone TDS? TDS, whatever I have created, that company code. That's why they have taken our company code. TDS, where is gone? TDS, TDS, TDS. So in TDS, I have maintained there that part. So we are getting our company code in TDS, whatever we have did in last time. IBM Private Limited. Let's swing IBM.
First,
There's no free guide, but they have taken according to our company code. Okay, that's why we are getting. So now requirement is we need to be do the work. Need to be take number in according to Shivangi company code. So for that, what we have to do? For that, what I have to do? Tell me anyone.
assign the
Think and
company to
yeah,
the
assignment
company.
company code. I need to take whatever Shivangi created. Okay, then it will work perfectly. So I will go in assignment and human resource. Assignment area to assign person area to company code. Position AUYUG. Then click. Yeah. So what is your company code?
AYUF.
AYUS.
Y. F. Not S. Not a
F
G.
F.
F.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Now we have changed and I will try again. Slash PA14. Because I have given that time range 16 to 1600 TDS one. 01. I use Fabric.
But sir, here we anything we will put, then anything will it save. Then how can we identify the what's actually error? Like अभी आपने यहाँ TDS लगा वो भी save हो रहा है.
Hmm. But it's a demo server. There are lots of confusion. Okay, but sorry. But in real time, it will be only single. Okay, and whatever will be available, you know that time because you are a consultant. You are going to configure each and everything. It's a demo server, so lots of thing is created in this server. Okay, that's why we are facing issue here. See, 16 now taken 16 number range. Now doubt is clear for everyone.
Sir, but there is a position is not fulfilled like 9990 time. It's not mandate.
No, that 00 mandate, but it's a taken like 00. If I'm going to blank, so we can consider 00. But 00 is not mandate. So say 16. If I'm going to take the range 1 to 9, okay, it's not mandate always times the 8 digit because we have given 16 there, 2-digit only. Okay, so we can consider
Okay,
right
now,
here
सर नीचे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन असाइनमेंट में,
position.
हाँ,
No, next time if I'm not if forget to give there, then automatically next page it will be taken by default. Okay, like personal sub area we need to. That is not mandate. If you're not going to save a position, then in next screen your organization system automatically will give that option. Okay, so now again you have to resolve. So you can able to resolve this part because the number range and your info group is working fine. Okay, Shivangi, your info group is working correctly. Just only you need to be remove this error. I hope you know this how to remove this error. So in number range, any doubt, any confusion, anyone?
No, sir.
Now it's clear. In number range, any
First
doubt,
one,
any confusion?
define a fiscal first year beginning
Pardon?
code. So the fiscal year variant first for company code via AYUF, or because employee group and everything is selected different, that's the reason, right?
Yeah. So we need to create this part. We need to unmute yourself. Okay. So I'm going to resolve this error also. Okay. So in number range, any doubt, Shivangi, Shivangi and Nagma? In number range, any doubt now?
No,
no,
sir.
sir.
Now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So info group and action type is working perfectly for Shivangi. Now I'll check for Nagma. So I'm going to resolve this error. I think you were not able to do. So what I have to do for resolving this error?
SPRO.
SPRO, SFA reference IMG. Then where I have to go, this is financial accounting work, it's not our. Then financial accounting global setting. Then fiscal year. Then assign company code to fiscal year variant. Okay, it's log showing log by another person, so we cannot do it. So from here we will resolve, okay. So once you need to find out your company code and there you need to maintain. This is your company code. Here you need to give anything. Like for example, V3 also you can give K3, anything you can just give. Okay, it's a financial accounting job. It's not our. First here and then we need to be go. Second option that is general ledger accounting. Then GL account. Then master data. Then preparation. Then assign company code to chart of account. Please also showing log by some ID. I think someone is working here. So from these two places you need to be assigned. Same thing also you have to do here. Just to find your company code and give INT. Okay, give INT in both parts. Okay, so now it's okay. Now it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So slash and PA40. And which action tab you have created, Nagma? Nagma, which action tab you have created?
Actually, I have created my company Amazon, sir, but here it is not displaying. Action type also info types में
Okay, you have created Amazon, but it's not. What will be checkpoints? Anyone tell me? Nagma created the action type, but it's not displaying here. What will be checkpoint?
We'll see if the structure has been created correctly or not.
No need to check the
SPRO.
structure. No need to check the structure. Structure is a separate topic. Action type, like Nagma created, like you have created, I use Fabric or PHG. Same Nagma created Amazon, but it's not displaying.
Yeah, so we will go to the info types.
We have to go personal type action. Okay. So personal management.
Personal management.
Then personal
Personal
administration.
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 Yeah.
Customizing.
Initiative.
Action.
Then action.
Define inputs.
Yeah, define info, but the first I will check which
Set up personal action.
Set of personal action.
what is the personal action name, Nagma? You remember the name?
In this, I think I did not create, sir, but I created define company or something is there. Define action type.
Yeah, define action type. So what is the action
But
name you have?
maybe stated give me 1 minute, sir.
Pardon? Your voice is very low. Can you please be louder?
Yeah, please give me 1 minute, sir. I will tell you. I think I forgot it, sir.
Okay, then do one thing. According to I hope you now you are complete clear how to create, how to check for what will be checkpoints. Okay, each and everything I have discussed
Yes, sir,
today.
yes.
Session, so you can able to do by yourself. So please do Saturday and
Yeah,
Sunday
sure.
you have 2 days time, so you can do the practice.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, can you explain the steps, sir? I mean, after the assignments,
Yeah.
we need to create number and info types.
Yeah.
I mean वो steps है ना सर जो अपन कर रहे सो
Yeah.
समझ में नहीं आ रहा शायद आपको.
Yeah. So a step, if you want to ask about the step 4 number range, see number range.
नहीं सर, अभी अपन assignments करे बाद assignments हो गए बाद personal I mean इसमें.
Okay, you are asking about personal structure.
No sir. No sir.
No, she wants to know how after creating number range, what all steps info groups कैसे बनाने का है.
नगमा आप क्या इन्फो
नहीं,
ग्रुप बनाने के लिए पूछ रहे हैं या फीचर के लिए पूछ रहे हैं कि फर्स्ट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू.
नहीं सर, फर्स्ट मैं क्या बोल रही अब पर्सनल एरिया पर्सनल सब एरिया असाइनमेंट्स होने के बाद हम लोग PF40 में क्या बोलते हैं हायरिंग करते हैं ना. उसके बाद क्या बोलते PS04 असाइन करना है, PS03 असाइन करना है बोल के पूछ रही. उसके बाद एक्शन टाइप्स असाइन करना है. देन इन्फो ग्रुप्स ऐसा पूछ रही मैं. स्टेप्स
ठीक है, मैं स्टेप क्लियर कर रहा हूँ आपको. फर्स्ट
एक बार क्लियर कर देना सर.
ओके, नाउ स्टार्टिंग ऑनवर्ड्स. ओके.
ओके.
एम्प्लॉय आपको लास्ट में क्रिएट करना है. अभी क्या है, एम्प्लॉय आपको बीच में कहीं भी क्रिएट नहीं करना है. सारा SAP का क्रिएटेड नंबर रेंज, एम्प्लॉय एक्शन टाइप, info group, each and everything got created successfully. Then you have to do the hiring. Okay, first /n SPRO, then SAP reference IMG. For SAP HR structure we need to be go enterprises, then click over definition. Under financial accounting we need to be give company and company code. First one define company code, then third one define check company code. These two things you need to be create. Once it's a company and company code got created, then come in last point, human resource management. From here you need to be create person area, person sub area, employee group, employee subgroup. Now it's done, it's got created. Then next step will be assignment. Under assignment, under financial accounting, you need to be do one step, assign company code to company, whatever company and company code you have created. So you have to do the assignment under this tab. Then you need to be comes under HRM part, human resource management. Here you need to be two assignment, one assignment of personal area to company code, and then assign employee subgroup to employee group. Now SAP HR structure part is over. Okay. Then once we have created the enterprise structure, then next step will be number range. So in number range we will use /n PA04 enter, then click over interval. Here we will assign the number range, whatever number range we want to assign according to sequence number. Like for example, we are going to create the new sequence number. Till 86 already created, we are going to create 88. 88 number range, then give the number range here. Like for example, I am using 8 till 18 we have already used. So I'm trying to use something different, 20. Uh, 25. It's a overlapping because already in system it's available. Okay, that's why it's a overlapping. 88 is overlapping. So we need to find out which is not available, then we have to do recording. Like that, we need to be check each and every number. It's also overlapping because 31 to 51 already given there. Yeah, now it's a taken. We have given the number range, created 88, 52 to 58. Previously, we are getting it. Why? Because in 26 sequence, already 31 to 51 is given. Okay. That's why we have selected after 51, 52 to 58. And if I will tick here, then it will be external number range. We need to be give manually, but internal is going to generate automatic. So we are not going to tick it. So now I will say in 88, what will be sequence number we have created? 88. Then next, once number is got created, what will sequence? Important is here sequence and then tick then untick. So normally we will use internal number range. The system will generate automatic. That's why we are not going to tick there. And sequence is 88. 88 sequence we have created. So now we will go /n PE03 in a feature. Here we will select the number feature number here because number feature we use for the number range. Then click over change. Then select our country code 40. Then need to select our company code. So here we will click over BUKRS. Then click the create button. What is your company code, Nagma?
AM01, sir.
AM01, this one?
AM01. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Amaran code is AM0, this one.
This one, Amazon Private Limited.
Why is the
HYD,
same
sir.
name created in 2 times? AM01. AM0. Okay, no, AM01.
This is MO.
Yeah, it's so O and it was 0. Your is AM01. It's not 0. Okay.
Oh,
If
okay,
it will
sir.
be 0,
Okay.
system will give the error. AM01, AM01, Amazon Private Limited. AM01. Now we need to be tick there. Then under this your company code, we need to be give return value your number range sequence number. What is the sequence number we have created? 88.
88.
So we need to be click over transfer, number range done. No need to do now anything here. So number range got created. So once number range got created, so employee number we have selected in a system that in this range to this range, we have to create employee number. Then next course of action, go to /n SPRO. All this thing is recorded in the session, so you can take the reference. That's why I'm explaining all the detail. Then where I have to go to check info group, create info group.
Personal management.
Personal management. Then personal administration.
Customizing.
Then customizing procedure.
Actions.
Then action. Then define info group. Okay, so here in user group dependency, there is one column for the reference number, user group dependency. So what is a T code to set user parameter where we need to maintain MOL and UGR?
And SU3, sir.
SU3. Yeah, SU3. So Nagma, you have to go SU3 and need to maintain UGR and MOL. Okay.
Yeah.
like for example, SU3 enter. Under parameter tab, you need to be give these two things. One is MOL 40 and UGR 30. Okay, already recorded in recording, so you can do the same. MOL 40 and UGR 30. Only these two lines. And whatever is present or not present is not our work. Only two things we need to be MOL 40 and UGR 30. So UGR is now given. So here you need to make a new entry and then select anything menu. In menu, anything you can select. It's nothing like that. Okay, anything you can select menu. Then give the text whatever name you want to create. Then click over user dependency. Then click over user group 30. Okay, this is your job. Like for example, we are created UA and give the name SAP demo test. Now enter. QA is already available, so system will give the error. Whatever if available, then system will give the error. RT is also available. LK is taken. So we have created menu LK SAP demo test. Now save. What will be next course of action? We have created LK.
Info
Now
modified.
yeah, info group modifier we need to be select. Then you need to be select your personal sub area. Sorry, personal area. So just click over there. Select your personal area. What is your personal area? Nagama, what is your
203, sir. 203. 203, sir.
203? Amazon Private Limited 203. Okay, under this we need to give the return value. Anything we can give. For example, we have taken 22. We have taken 11. Transfer. This is last session I'm doing for the number range and info group
Okay,
modifier.
sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
I think now everything is clear now. So info group modifier, user group dependency menu we have created LK and info group modifier IGFOD according to personal area. We have given return value 11.
11.
Now further step info group. Yeah, tell me. Under LK, we need to be click new entry. Then user group 30. Info group modifier, whatever return value we have given 11. This is a sequence number 01. Operation INS for creation purpose we need to be used, already discussed. Info to first 4 times 0 and 0001 by default we need to be give. INS sequence will be next page will come in second number. Then it will be info group will be same and UGR will be same. Now again UGR will be same. And then 03. Then INS, then 0024 personal data. Okay, same thing we can add according to our requirement and then save. So now info group part is completed. What will be next point? Info group is created. What will be next checkpoint? Set up personal action.
Set up personal.
So here we need to be select personal action type. Then click over new entry. You can select the action, anything you can select here. So just I'm taking PT SAP SCM demo 1 for initial hiring. Already I've discussed why I'm selecting 1, why I'm selecting 3, that is for the active employee. Then personal area for personal area, personal sub area, employee group, employee sub group. IG, what is IG is given LK. Info group we have created LK menu SAP demo test, that's why we have selected LK. Then click last to this. This is for the update info type automatic, that's why we have selected. Now save. What is it? Action type we have created TT, and that menu we have created LK. Now it's got created SAP SCM demo. create region for personal action, new entry. Then action, what is the action we have created? TT. We can give the 01 and 02. We can give new joining, new employee joining, or old or third party. Third party. No return. Now save. What will be last step, and that's important? Change action menu.
Change it.
Here user group dependency you need to be checked. Already given in 0x menu is 01, action 30 already given, no need to make any changes. Now click over action menu, 01, new entry, user group 30, sequence number anything we can take. So I don't know the sequence number, which one is available. And what is action type? LK. No. What was action we have created? LK is not.
TT.
TT SAP demo and then save. All step completed. Okay. Now we have configured each and everything. We need to be do the testing. Is it working or not? /n PA40 enter. Then okay, Nagma. Now actually now all the step is clear. Just now we will do the hiring only. We have to go to PA40, select each and everything, and then save. Automatic in whatever number range we have created, that will generate, and automatic all the screen will come one by one according to info group. So all the step I have discussed. So any doubt, any confusion now?
No, sir.
Now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Nagma Shivangi,
Yes, sir.
can I start the new topic now?
Yeah, please.
His voice is not audible. Yeah, tell me. Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello.
So next topic.
Um,
Hello.
yeah, I'm sorry. That my battery got so low.
Okay. So please share your screen.
Yeah. So can you please give me access? Yeah.
Yeah. You can able.
Yeah.
Okay. So now I'm going to hide. Not able to access. Words are not able to access. Can you please give me remote control? Yeah. So we can do the new hire. Whatever we have created, SAP SCM demo. Yeah. Now it's displaying. Now we will do the hiring. Now we will select 01, whatever we have created. It will display here. Yeah. For example, third party joining, then green tea, then this is a second step it will be already. So now personal area AUYG according to. Okay, so what is your personal area, Nagma?
203, sir. 203.
203. No, it's just saying no info group. No. Which personal area you have given when I was created personal I was created info group?
Action. Info group.
Hmm?
This one is, sir.
This one?
Yes, sir.
No, I don't think so. If you give to this one, then no info type will not be there. And 203 Amazon AM01 204 Amazon Bangalore. I think Amazon Bangalore you will be selecting. No, AMG.
Sir.
Yeah.
203 only you gave, I think.
Okay, so no info group modify. So what will you check once? Where we did the mistake?
Assignment.
No, not in assignment. In an info group, I think we have. Let me check. Run personal administration. Then customer. What is menu we have created for here? Here we have the
LK.
PK now. Okay, or what is
BK. No, LK.
No, no, okay, LK.
LK. LK. LK.
AK.
LK for Kanpur.
the LK? Yeah, security. Okay, what is your personal area you have given? 203. No? Where is 203?
Fifth one, sir. In the upside.
Sir, it's
Here, sir.
for third one, fourth one.
203. We have given 11. We have given 11. Let me check here. 11, 30, correct. LK. Okay, info group name is LK. Okay, so here is also correct. So what will be next checkpoints? LK. What will be next checkpoint? Set up personal action.
Set up personal actions.
Here we have selected TT, no? TT.
Yes, yes.
TT. LK is also correct. SAP India.
Then maybe she have not assigned personal area to company.
LK correct. Here is also correct. No, that's the error we are getting for the info slash PA40. No info type found. Maintain info group modified user group. We have already did it, even each and everything 203. 203. If person area is will not assigned, then we will get the table related error. Okay, but we are getting no info type found related error. Okay, that's just something different. 203.
So maybe Molga is not done in her this thing. वो reason हो सकता है क्या? Molga configuration.
maybe हो सकता है. SPR
मे बी मैं क्रिएट तो नहीं करी मॉलगा.
/ SPR in interface structure. What is your personal area here? 203, no? 203. No, it's already given no, one mistake. It's a 01 or O.
Oh.
It's
That's
not
correct.
O, I think. It's 01, sir.
M01. AM01. Correct. I think we did the mistake somewhere in O1 or where you. Okay, now mistake. Where we did the mistake? Now error will job. I did the mistake. I did not click over activate button here. Okay. I did not click here in activate button. That's error. Okay. Now we do / PA40. I think I have clicked over save, but I did not click over activate button. That's why it was showing error. Now error will resolve in 01 enter. Yeah, now error gone. What was the error? Because we have not selected, not clicked over activate button in an info group. Okay, in IJ modifier. That's why we are getting that error. So now according to number is 52 I have given. So now employee got created. Now we say now persons need to select the person subarea. Yeah, need to be resolved. So same process, whatever step I have given in earlier I did, same thing you need to be do the follow. Please take the reference of today's session recording and resolve this error. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now it's okay till whatever covered SAP HR structure, personal area, personal sub area, employee group, employee subgroup, number in teacher, info group, modified, info group modifier, in and action type.
Yes, sir.
Each and everything is clear. No revision session required now.
No, sir.
Okay, so shall I continue with the new topic?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, so new topic, that is a screen modification. Okay, so let me slash n PA30 enter. What is the employee number you have had correctly? What's the tell me the employee number?
Employee number, last one was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 5. मतलब लास्ट में 6 या फिर sorry 0 0 at the first.
I need to know. Okay, now I'm going to do this. Now need to find whatever employee had by Versa. How can I find out? Slash n AC16n. This T code I have discussed earlier with you. AC16n use in Excel sheet if you download anything in Excel sheet. So we can use. So here we will enter. I have discussed about this part with you.
Sir,
Pardon?
how about to search the code?
I'm not
Hello?
getting what you're saying. PA 4 times 0. We need to be enter here. 4 times 0. What is the info type of 4 times 0? Action.
Action.
And now here
Action.
changed by what is your user ID? What's tell me your ID, your login ID of SAP?
SOC
Just
Varsha.
write down here. Changed by write down. No. Yeah, so this all the employee hired by your ID we can find like that. Okay, so what is a successful ID? We need to check this one. Just to copy. Lesson 5830. Virat Kohli. This one. Okay. So in personal data, I will go now. Now my requirement is customer one last name. Here is showing the column first name and last name. Now customer one, please remove this last name. For example, okay. Please, I don't require this column for last name. So please remove this column from this info type. So from any info type, we can remove any column. Okay, from any info type, we can remove any tab. Whatever is displaying, which is not mandate, we can make it hide, we can remove it, we can make mandate, we can restrict it, anything we can do with this tab. So now my requirement is I need to remove this last name. So how I can do? First, you will select single click over last name, then right click, or we can select the F1 also, then click over help. First, we need to find technical information. This is a technical information fund. So field name, what is a technical name? Like a Molga technical name of the country code, country grouping, personal area technical name is Namkar, sorry, Perner. So last name, technical name, what's the technical name of last name? That is Nachan, NACHN. That is a technical name. Field name is Nachan. Here, how to find the field name? Select that field name, then click F1, then go to technical setting, then this information you will get. Okay, first important to need this information. Now we need to be go to any SPRO. We need to find out field name is Nachan, program name is MP 000200, screen number is 2000, program name is given, status table name P0002, field name Nachan. This is we have taken it from here. So now we need to be go in SPRO screen. Please do the login. So yeah. So we need to be going SPRO /n SPRO SAP reference IMG, then personal management, then personal administration, then input type, input type, not input, customizing user interface. In customizing user interface, okay, not a customizing procedure. No need to go customizing user interface. Then a screen change a screen modification. So here you need to find the module. What was module program name? MP. This one MP double triple 200. A screen number is also 2000. The feature is also matching P triple 02. This one. So we need to be double click. So this field name is will open. Where
Why is this done?
like customer requirement is customer will say any please make any field mandate or please make any field hide. So for that purpose we need to be do from here.
Okay,
Like
like you said, last name has to be removed, so we have to go to this screen.
yeah, I am giving the example to remove the last name, but that is not a real scenario, no. So maybe some other field customer will say to remove. Okay, some other field customer will say to make the mandate. Without entering that information, you cannot proceed further. So for that purpose, we will do the same step. Like Nachan, this is 0003 Nachan last name. Last name it's a showing there is a few tabs: standard, reference, optional, output, hide, output table. That means what is the meaning of the output? Like when you make any output table, so there will show where you click the output box like in a region for action. When I clicked over there, there are two output, whatever output we have given 01, 02, new hiring, third party hiring. So same thing, if you want to make any field output table, output tab, okay, so you have to click over there. If you want to hide, like last name, I want to hide. So we will do here. If you want to make any field optional, okay, if you want to any field a reference, like if you want to make the any field as a reference, so you need to be give that one. So we have hide here and save. Now we will open new screen and check. U30. Now in personal data. So this last name hided. Okay, last name not. So with example of anything you can do from here. Okay, in edit tab. In real time scenario, it's required sometimes that customers say to please hide this is not required. No need to display there. Otherwise, individual will save the data in this tab. That's why this tab is not required. That's why we did the same thing. Here we need to be. Now we need to change this part, so we can change. So for that purpose, I will provide one block, so you can just go through that document. This is the for important. It's not in according to interview perspective, but in real time scenario, such type of requirement given by customer. Okay, that's why we have. I'm discussing this part. Okay. Change the screen modification. That is for customization, not much important. Now, one thing is important here. Like for example, you need to be change the drop down. PA30. So when you will open personal data, so you can able to see lots of drop down is available there. Like title, there's lots of title is given, drop down is given. So if you click over language, material status, drop down is there. So whatever drop down you can able to see, so you can make changes. In this drop down, you can make changes. Anything you can make changes. Not into in this info type. In every info type where is required, so you can change. So how to change this drop down from any info type? We will go SAP percentage. SPRO. Let's say then SAP reference IMG. Then personal management. Then personal administration. Then personal data. Yeah, so here is all info type list is given where is mandated to change or required to change. Personal data, residential status, family, additional family data, address, name, format, bank format. So where which is important is given as like in personal data we need to be changed like material title. Sorry, maintain title we need to be changed. So from here we can make entry and we can change. It will be going to display in 0002 input and get material status. Here is also we can do same thing. Just we need to make a new entry. We can delete. We can change anything. We can do. We can give. So it will be going to display in their drop down. So create form address, maintain default setting, gender consistency check, create name affix, maintain each and everything whatever is required we can do from here. Okay. Same thing also in a family detail also we can do. Family detail, define possible family member, other data on children, each and everything. Just a drop down we can give. In a family also personal data, define family type, define family characters, each and everything we can do from here. Whatever is need to change, so we can do. Name format also we can change. Bank detail. What is the info type for bank detail? What is the info type number we use for the bank detail?
006.
9, sir.
Nine for bank details, 6 for address. So here you
Address.
can create your bank detail, create bank connection type. So each and everything, main bank, other bank, each and everything you can create from here. No need to do anything, just click over new entry and you can create. Okay. And time constraint is here one thing. Time constraint. I will discuss in a separate section for time constraint. Okay. And define, so anything here we can do. Okay. Define payment method, define eligibility for rules, all company code, paying company code, payment method. So like we need to be create for all company code. So we need to be select here all company code. We need to be check from here. House bank, whatever bank you are going to be added according to company code. Like you have created company code. What is your company code? What is your company code, Varsa? PNG, no?
PNG.
PNG. According to company code, you can create the bank, yeah, house bank. So here you will need to make the new entry, and you are going to give house bank, like which bank? HDFC. Then bank country, like 40 for India. Bank key, whatever provided by, you have to create. If not available, then you need to be create. Okay. A bank key, whatever provided by bank, contact person, each and everything you need to create from here. So and then bank account also you can create. So okay, first you need to make this entry. This all these things provided by the bank account or client will provide. This you need to be enter bank key because I don't know what is the bank key and everything. So you need to be just a save according to requirement. Payment method in company code. What will be payment method you are going to select it? Okay. So we are going to SAP according to company code, CT, SAP credit transfer, bank balance, international check, whatever different thing is given. Like you have created your company code, you are selecting two methods. One is a fund transfer and then is a check payment. So you have to select in these two things. So nothing difficult here. Just you need to make a entry. So just I'm going to display. You can make entry from here. Okay. Just for testing purpose, you have to check each and everything. Address also, if you need to be make changes in address format, create address type. Like when you're going to create the address, there is lots of types is coming: permanent address, temporary residence address. So save. So like that, you can do the this task. So got it. So from here, you can make any changes. This under personal data, navigation is SPRO, personal management, personal administration. Then personal data, under personal data tab, you can check each and everything. Okay, according to requirement of table, you can check anything from here. Okay, now go in PA in 30 lesson PA 30 enter. So here, according to like we have changed in our material status, it will display here. We have created ABC. Yeah, so ABM, so not so you can generate according to customer requirement. This all this is not asking during interview, but in real time scenario it's a used because customer will say to make the changes. For the address also, if you are going to select the subtype, so I have did the changes in second one SAP I have written, yeah, temporary resident SAP. So from here you can make the changes. Yeah, and same also in an info type 9 also when you click. So there is subtype main bank, what type of bank. So here you can select. What is the bank detail type is given here? Main bank details. You can each and everything you can do. Bank each and everything according to your configuration. You need to be saved. From here also customer said, please remove this IBN name. This is for the international banking. So it's not required in India. So please remove this tab. So again, what you have, how to remove? You need to be first. You need to find the technical name. Just a single click, then right click or F1. Click over there, and then technical setting. Technical setting. Then technical name, a field name of the IBN00. What is the name is IBN00. So same thing we have to go in this program name, this screen, this table name, and then you need to make the changes. So in these pages you can do with any requirement like I got it related to the info type. Okay. So now any doubt, any confusion in this part? Varsa, Nagma,
When we will do it ourselves, then we'll let you know.
Yeah, so please do the practice, everyone. You need to be, I will share the documents, whatever we have covered in today's session. So please do the practice, everyone. Again, we will meet on Monday, and the Monday will be half an hour interview session. Will be like whatever we have covered in last 15 to half an hour, we will discuss whatever we have covered personal module. So on Monday, our personal administration part will be covered. So for next day, we will start the next module, organization management. Okay, and whatever is pending on Monday, we will create or we will discuss. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then please do the practice, everyone. Again, we will connect on Monday. Okay. Meanwhile, you will face any error, then please share a screenshot and discuss with me. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.